Okay, so this is what the front will look like. I have the black parts, handles on both sides there. From underneath, you can see that they're not screwed in all the way yet. Here, they're kind of, the screws are coming out the top just a little bit. And then what I need to do is put another board under here to support that, just because it won't lay flat because of the screws. Okay, so this one is pre-drilled here. I need to just kind of line it up with these marks that I have here. So I'll pop that in. Okay, I got this one. So what I need to do is just push, hold down on this, come from underneath, and drill. Okay, so that one's in. I need to line this one up. There we go, I can feel it catch there. Don't need this board underneath it anymore. And same thing. Yay, there we go. Okay, so. All right, perfect. So that's pretty sturdy in there like so. Okay, now this kind of construction, you can't put a board on this and put like a really heavy, like 4-layer cake or something on it. It's okay for the cupcakes because they're lighter and everything that's going on is lighter. So what I'm saying is these metal things, if the weight on top is too heavy, these will bend. If you want something heavier on top, then you may have to go ahead and put bigger supports, stronger brackets on both sides, and then another wood board on top. Okay, but this is sufficient for what we're doing. I don't want you to just get an idea that, oh, it's that easy, and then I can put this 4-layer cake, 12-inch cake on top, and then another cake. It just won't support that. Another way to support without going to all of this is actually you could use, this is a 6-inch plate with just some regular pillars. You could put these in both, you know, without the wood. Put these in both so you'd have these sitting inside the pots, and then put the wood board on top. So you could do something like that, but then you'd have to figure out, you know, how to cover this. But that's another option for you. Okay. It's all about the options, people, giving you different options, giving you ideas, and then just go with it. Okay, so next step is putting the next board on top. So I have some more screws here. All right, so first what you do want to do is just kind of center it. And I already have the holes drilled on this one also, because I already had put this together. So just going to kind of screw it in first with just my fingers, and then I'll take the drill and get the rest of the way in there. Put your hand on top, hold the top, and take your screwdriver and and make sure that your screws aren't too long that you actually drill through your hand that you're holding the top with. These came through a little bit, but not too much. Okay, then at this point, what I do is I go ahead and put the level on top, and see how it's not quite level. I can see it's going down this way. With those metal things like that, you can actually just bend this a little bit until you get it level.